Hi, welcome to another instructional video. Today we're going to show you how to set up your Fusion Glo display. It's an easy tool-free assembly, so let's get started. First things first, you're going to lay out your hardware on a clean, flat surface. Go ahead and identify the individual components of the frame. The top and bottom pieces will have the integrated lights set up and the brackets on the sides. The bottom piece of the frame will have the swivel out feet, so go ahead and swivel those feet out and lay it down like so. Grab your side piece and line up the numbers and simply slide the bracket into the channel of the side piece like so. With the side pieces attached, go ahead and install the top part of the frame. Go ahead and match the numbers and slide the brackets into the channel of the side piece like so. If you have a 3x8 or a 3x6.5 Fusion Glo, an additional step of installing a support bar is necessary. Go ahead and simply make that connection now. With the frame assembled, it's now time to attach the graphic. And you're going to start in one corner and then do the corner diagonally opposite. Now this is an SEG display, so take that silicone edge and fold it in the channel of the frame. Do the remaining two corners and then push in the remaining sides of the graphic to fill out the frame. We'll put a link in the description for a more comprehensive breakdown on how to install an SEG graphic. With your graphic attached, you can now go ahead and install the power supply. And it's as simple as that. Your Fusion Glo display is now ready for use.